Welcome to Kohima, a city etched into the very foothills of the eastern Himalayas. The capital of Nagaland, this region of India is often overlooked, yet it holds a captivating beauty for those who venture here. For Kohima is a haven for the intrepid traveler, a place where the untamed spirit of nature thrives. Imagine a place where emerald hills roll endlessly towards the horizon, their slopes cloaked in a vibrant tapestry of green. This is Kohima, a land where the air is cool and crisp, carrying with it the sweet scent of wildflowers and the whisper of ancient forests. Join me now as we journey deep into the heart of Nagaland, exploring the hidden gems that make Kohima a true paradise for nature lovers. Our adventure begins just a stone's throw from Kohima, in a place known as Zuku Valley. Here, nature reveals herself in a breathtaking display of color and life, a sanctuary where the very earth seems to bloom. They call it the Valley of Flowers, and as you'll soon see, it is a name well deserved. Imagine, if you will, a vast canvas painted in every shade of green imaginable. Rolling hills, like waves on a gentle sea, stretch as far as the eye can see. And upon these hills, a kaleidoscope of wildflowers erupts in a riot of color. During the monsoon season, from June to September, Zuku Valley transforms into a breathtaking spectacle. The air, thick with the scent of damp earth and blooming flowers, hums with the sound of life. Bees drone lazily from blossom to blossom, while butterflies with wings like stained glass dance on the breeze. The most famous resident of this valley, however, is the elusive Zuku lily. A flower found only in these parts, its petals are a delicate shade of white, tinged with the faintest blush of pink. To witness these lilies in bloom is a truly special experience. But Zuku Valley is more than just a feast for the eyes. It's a place of peace and tranquility, a place to reconnect with nature and escape the hustle and bustle of modern life. The trek to Zuku Valley is not for the faint of heart. It's a challenging climb, but the rewards are well worth the effort. From the vibrant life of Zuku Valley, we travel now to a place of solemn reflection. Nestled within a serene landscape, not far from the bustling heart of Kohima, lies the Kohima War Cemetery. Here, amongst the rolling green hills and whispering pines, we find a poignant reminder of the human cost of conflict. The cemetery itself is a place of profound tranquility. Rows upon rows of headstones, each one marking the final resting place of a soldier who fell during the Second World War, stand in silent tribute. Birdsong fills the air, butterflies flutter amongst the headstones, and wildflowers add splashes of color to this somber yet beautiful landscape. Take a moment to wander amongst the graves, reading the inscriptions and paying your respects to the fallen. Many of the soldiers laid to rest here were young men, far from their homes and families. They came from all corners of the British Commonwealth, united in their fight for freedom. Their sacrifice serves as a reminder of the importance of peace and the need to strive for a world free from conflict. The Kohima War Cemetery is not just a place of mourning, but also a place of remembrance. It is a reminder that even in the darkest of times, hope and beauty can still be found. Today, we embark on a journey to the roof of Nagaland, a place where the air is thin and the views are simply breathtaking. Towering above the surrounding landscape at an elevation of over 3,000 meters stands Japfu Peak, the second highest peak in the state. As we ascend the slopes of Japfu, the landscape transforms before our very eyes. The dense forests that blanket the lower slopes gradually give way to a more rugged terrain. During the spring months, these rhododendrons burst into bloom, transforming the mountainside into a sea of vibrant pinks and reds. But the journey to Japfu Peak is about more than just the destination. It's about the experience of immersing oneself in nature, of testing one's limits, and of being rewarded with breathtaking views. The trail to the summit is a challenging one, winding its way through dense forests, across gushing streams, and over rocky outcrops. As we finally reach the summit, a panorama of such grandeur unfolds before us that it takes our breath away. From this vantage point, the world seems to stretch out endlessly, a tapestry of greens and blues. Our journey now takes us from the rugged heights of Japfu Peak to the heart of Kohima, where we'll delve into the fascinating interplay between humanity and the natural world. The Kohima State Museum, a treasure trove of cultural artifacts and historical insights, offers a glimpse into the rich tapestry of Naga life. Here, within the museum's walls, we discover the stories of the Naga tribes, their traditions, beliefs, and their deep-rooted connection to the natural world. Exhibits showcase the intricate craftsmanship of the Naga people, from their finely woven shawls to their skillfully crafted hunting tools. The museum's collection of tribal artifacts, including traditional clothing, jewelry, and weaponry, reveals the ingenuity and artistry of the Naga people. Just a stone's throw from the museum lies the Kohima Zoological Park, a verdant haven where we come face to face with the living creatures that share this land. The park is home to a variety of fascinating animals, many of which are native to the region. We encounter the majestic mithun, a large bovine species revered by the Naga people, and the clouded leopard, a shy and elusive creature. The Kohima State Museum and Zoological Park offer a unique opportunity to connect with both the cultural and natural heritage of Nagaland. They serve as a reminder that we are all part of a delicate web of life, interconnected and interdependent. Just a short drive from the bustling city of Kohima lies Pulibadze, a tranquil village that seems to exist in perfect harmony with the natural world. Here, amidst the rolling hills and emerald forests, we discover a slower pace of life, a place where time seems to move to the rhythm of nature. As we arrive in Pulibadze, we're greeted by a sense of peace that washes over us like a gentle wave. The air is fresh and clean, carrying with it the scent of pine needles and damp earth. The village itself is a picture of rural tranquility. Traditional wooden houses, adorned with colorful flowers, dot the landscape. Friendly locals greet us with warm smiles, their faces reflecting the peace and tranquility of their surroundings. One of the greatest joys of Pulibadze is simply taking the time to wander through its natural surroundings. Well-maintained trails wind their way through the surrounding forests, offering breathtaking views of the valley below. As we hike along these trails, we're surrounded by the sights and sounds of nature. For those seeking a more immersive experience, Pulibadze offers a number of homestays, where visitors can stay with local families and experience the true warmth and hospitality of the Naga people. Pulibadze is a place to escape the hustle and bustle of modern life, to reconnect with nature, and to experience the simple joys of life. It's a reminder that sometimes the most beautiful destinations are the ones that are closest to home. Our final destination on this exploration of Kohima's natural wonders takes us to the slopes of Mount Ti, a place where biodiversity flourishes. As we ascend the slopes of this majestic mountain, we enter a realm where every twist and turn reveals a new wonder. The lower slopes of Mount Ti are cloaked in dense forests, a symphony of greens in countless shades. Giant trees, their trunks draped in moss and lichens, reach towards the sky like ancient guardians. As we venture deeper into these forests, we're greeted by a cacophony of sounds, the chirping of insects, the calls of exotic birds, the rustling of leaves. Mount Ti is renowned for its incredible biodiversity. The forests here are home to a wide variety of plant and animal life, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. Keep a watchful eye out for the elusive red panda, a creature so adorable that it seems to have sprung from the pages of a children's book. But the wonders of Mount Ti are not limited to its animal inhabitants. The flora here is equally impressive. Towering rhododendrons, their branches laden with blossoms during the spring, paint the mountainside in vibrant hues. Mount Ti offers a glimpse into a world untouched by the hand of man, a place where nature's artistry is on full display. As we conclude our journey through the natural wonders of Kohima, we're left with a profound sense of awe and appreciation for the raw beauty and biodiversity of this remarkable region. From the vibrant flower fields of Tsuku Valley to the serene heights of Japfu Peak, Kohima offers a sanctuary for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. But Kohima is more than just a collection of stunning landscapes. It's a place where the cultural richness of the Naga people is deeply intertwined with the natural world. A place where ancient traditions and modern life coexist in harmony and where visitors are welcomed with warmth and hospitality. So if you're seeking an off-the-beaten-path destination, a place where you can reconnect with nature, experience a different culture, and create memories that will last a lifetime, then look no further than Kohima. It truly is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and until next time, keep exploring our incredible planet.